you guys what's going on. It's Lucid Venom here, and I thought I'd just make a quick little video on how to refill a Zippo lighter. As you can see, I have two here, and I'm going to be showing you today how to refill them with, I know, a lot of people are going to say, well, you're not using Zippo fluid. Well, you use what you got. So, here we go. Okay. I'm going to do this one first. Open it up. Pull it out. Now, as you can see, this is a older model Zippo. It has the engraving in there, and you pull the cotton back, and this one has a replaced wick in it. So what you do is you get your lighter fluid and you gently start to pour in. Not putting too much in, and you're just basically waiting for it to take effect, just to soak in. Okay, I'm going to top this one off real quick. Okay. I want to make sure that this one is nice and packed down. Make sure to wash your hands and wipe off the lighter, which I'm going to do right now off camera. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this back in. Put this out of here. Put this back in. Always make sure that your hammer, your lock mechanism, is facing the inside of the top of the lighter. And put that back in. Close it up. And there we go. Now I'm going to do it once again, but this time I'm going to show you guys how to replace a wick, or a flint. Excuse me, I cannot talk today. Okay, I'm going to open the lighter up. I'm going to take the lighter out of the casing. Sorry about that. Now what you do is you unscrew the spring that's holding in the flint. As you can see, this little golden screw right there. Slowly pull it out. It should look like that. And you're going to turn it over, and you are going to try to get that, which is a flint. Now this one's pretty good, so I'm going to leave this one in. Put it back in there. And you put it back in, and you begin to screw it back in. And this one also needs to be filled, so I'm going to be doing it once again. Take your lighter fluid, and you gently pour it in, making sure not to flood it. You just want to make sure that the wick gets damp. Okay. Once again, I will tell you this once again, always wipe your hands and the lighter off of excess fuel, which I'm going to be doing here off camera once again. Wipe my hands off. Remember, always have the hammer back in there. And there we go. And that is how you refuel a lighter. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. See you guys later.